finally getting legs done. It's gonna be a really, really good day. I'm feeling it. We got the lads on tour. This is what this week is. This is lads on tour. We're training legs here at the gym. We're gonna be here all week. This place is amazing. So we've got some fun equipment. So warming up now with leg press variations. We've got a standard and this little one that Zach's playing with right now.
Yeah, I think so.
So what you want to do here is really just engage. You got it?
Like that?
Yeah, really good. Bit more, and then in, and then pull back, and then in, and then pull back, and then in.
What's this working?
Pull back, earlobes.
Okay.
Get him, get him. Doggy. Outside the foot, drive that outside the foot. There you go. There you go. Cord. Good cord.
Just after the photo shoot, looking like superheroes. Now we're going to look like
legitimate superheroes. We're going to work on having the bodies of superheroes.
This is it. So, but today I'm going to give all credit to Nathan for today's workout. So, what are we doing?
So we're running through a chest-focused push workout here. A little bit of shoulders at the end, but predominantly focused on the chest. We're going to run through a few movements, some new ones for you. Yep. And then some classics. And then hopefully not injure ourselves.
Yep. And then I'll post on Instagram claim that all the movements were mine.
Does. So, let me just talk through this.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is essentially, it's like a basic bench press motion.
Is this the pull-off press?
Pull-off press, yeah.
Pull-off press.
So, yeah, Charles Poliquin. So here, we're going down to a full stretch, twisting for time on attention.
Yep.
Up, but then here, bringing your elbows in. So rather than just like twisting away, you're really bringing the elbows in as much as you can, contract through the chest, out, that's one rep. So this whole thing is more about the time and attention. You don't need to go too heavy. It's more a really good way of activating all the muscle fibers.
Slow negatives.
Slow negatives, slow everything really. So only really to go through like 6 to 8 of this.
To really focus on this, you've got to make sure if you look on the negative when it's coming down, this nipple is just slightly outside of the stringer boundary, and this is essential for aerodynamic movements of all techniques.
I can't even argue with that.
Okay, so negative, press up, elbows.
Elbows in, so rather than twisting in, try and bring your elbows as you fire in through here. There you go. Twist out, down, twist hands, That time and attention at the bottom. And back in.
And then back in. Ah,
Yep.
okay. Oh, elbow roll. Better?
Yep, that's it.
To here? Like right
Wherever
way
it's
around?
comfortable for you. There is some muscle fiber that would like straight out from there, but really for me it's more about the time and attention.
Yeah, the elbows in is a weird one.
Yeah, it is. So you're actually letting the scapula go a little bit to really bring it up.
Yeah.
So you'd be conscious of bringing it back in on that bottom part. That's a really good way of warming up shoulder capsule too.
It's nice, man. Roll, elbows.
Elbows in.
Yeah, you can see it shaking. So you can physically see it shake.
So that elbows in is something that I changed. So I'm taking full credit for that one. Because Paul couldn't just do the bottom twist. I'm adding that top twist just for that like real recruitment of the muscle fibers through the chest. It's a game changer.
Just, that's
Yeah, there you go.
maximised
those
now.
swings,
I don't think they were out before. And that is a problem.
I've always said that. If you don't have your nipples there, you're in a problem.
There's no nipples,
Many
no
problems.
problem. That's the title of your Gymshark All Access video there.
It's going to really be in trouble when they film the girls later on. Good.
Yeah, so just watch it popping in just a little bit. And straight at the back. Nice. Right.
Who's this golden brown Australian man?
They've got
The only
some
time in
down
Australia there is.
My little koala bear friend here.
Look at that jumping up and down, cling on.
My little drunk bear. Yo, I had the best compliment today. Stephanie from Scotland's like, wait, you're not Aus-? She thought I was Australian.
All you talk about is Australia.
I think no, she's like, you sound Aussie, mate. I'm like, I'm keen as, bruh. That's a sweaty man right there. Oh,
You can't get away
are you
from it.
sweaty?
You
Yeah,
can't get away from it.
there's so much hair on his chest.
So onto a fly variation now. So we're starting from a lower position, really pulling up. Again, the cue for this one is trying to bring those elbows up and in rather than just the hands, because if your wrists, your elbows are out, you're not going to activate as much as if you really pull it in. You can see that in my chest as I do that. If you go from there, as soon as you bring the elbows in, you see the activation through the middle of the chest. So that's what we're trying to do on this. Nice and shake. No, so we're going to finish it. That's it. We're doing shoulders now. So we're going to do a superset this one. Get it done nice and fast. We're going to do the 6 ways raise. So the whole thing we're doing here is getting all of the heads of the shoulder. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You go through like 6 to 8 of that. Then straight into down, chest up, a rear delt fly. So by doing that, boom, boom, boom. All 3 heads off the shoulder. See here, the cue Lex is doing, he's pulling up with his elbow rather than using his wrists. So that means he's going to keep that really good alignment running through and using the rear delt. If you use your wrist sometimes, you start using other elements of the shoulder, it makes it a bit more unstable. By pulling up with your elbows, you're going to keep it in line the whole way through. Oh, you do you. You don't need to put music on for me. I'll be too busy trying to... He's trying to stitch me up here. He's left. Arms up.
Drop it up. 1, 2. Yeah. Combination 1. Jab.
Take it that way.
Jab. Combination 2.
Jab. Jab. Straight. 3. Nice. And you finish on a big one here. You go 1, 2, 3.
So that's the end of our workout together. Ryan was here, beast. Look.
Yeah, he's the one that actually put
working
in
hard
work.
for that Olympia.
Under boob sweat.
So this is a fair old mishmash of people. We've got Ryan who's prepping for the Mr. Olympia physique stage.
Yes.
And we've got us two who make really good wisecracks in between sets and
beards.
chat.
They talk a lot.
and was.
We definitely talk a lot.
We've just finished up a wonderful workout. Thank you. That was fun.
That's good. I'm back in the frame.
Yeah,
and we're back in the frame.
He's here again. Hey, we had a really good session. Worked on our beards. One day, I too will look like that. I won't. He looks too good like that. So we're at Fitness Space here in Manchester. If you're in town, check it out. It's a really cool space with great equipment. Now we're gonna head back and have some dinner, do some socializing, fall asleep 'cause I'm super tired. Let's do it.